Let's look at peripheral nerves, longitudinal sections. So we're looking at down the length of the nerve at both 400 times magnification and 100 times magnification. So the key features that we can see in this slide are myelin, which is that whitish looking substance. And then over here you can see it much more clearly. This is the myelin. Here's some more myelin. You can also see where the axon is contained in the myelin. It's a little harder to see in the 100 times magnification. You can certainly see the fibers of the axons. And remember, the function of the myelin and the myelin sheath is to insulate the electrical current within that axon and allow for saltatory conduction or faster conduction of the action potential. So we can also see the nuclei of Schwann cells. These are the dark pink dots that you see here. Those Schwann cells are in the peripheral nervous system, which makes sense because we're in a peripheral nerve, and they're responsible for myelination. So they wrap themselves around the axons, and it's really their cell membranes that end up being that fatty insulation. We can also see Schwann cell nuclei over here. And then the other thing we can see that's important is nodes of Ranvier. And that's a point on the axon, on the myelinated axon, that isn't myelinated. Now it looks in these slides like there might be myelin there, but that node of Ranvier is the unmyelinated part of the axon, and that's where you're actually generating action potentials, where ions are moving in and out, sodium and potassium, out of that axon.